Hey guys, welcome back to Pretty Fix, and in this episode I'm going to create two different looks using the Smashbox Always On Mini Matte Lipsticks in the shade Gulabe and Boss. You guys know how much I love the Smashbox Always On lipstick, and I'm also going to show few hacks using these lipsticks. Also, this lip kit is available for rupees 990 on Nykaa from today till the 27th of July, and I feel it is the best time and the best price to buy this lip kit. So let's get started.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Now I'm gonna do my eyes using the Smashbox Mini Matte Lipstick in the shade Gulabe. Now I'm going to show you how you can make your own cheek tint using a lipstick and a primer. So I'm again going to use Gulabe and I'm going to mix it with the Photo Finish primer. That was it for the day. I hope you liked the video. Again mentioning you can get these two beautiful shades for rupees 990 and the offer is valid till 27th of July. You can also use my code to get Superfan Mascara when you shop for rupees 1900 or more. I would also like to mention that the quality and the staying power of this lipstick is amazing. So it's a very good deal. Let me know in the comment section what you want to see in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.